Afternoon again. This is still June the 4th, about 4:30 now. Cloudy, dreary day, and it's when the bees are supposed to be angry. But we have happy bees here. This is South Carolina happy bees. We got a brick on here, got it down across the middle. That means there's a queen in there, and there's brood in there, and the entrance is down here where I'm at. Two spaces on this one, so we take that off. We got their feeders. Pollen patty. Now, some people, my bees are angry because the weather is not good. Pretty much 100% cloudy. It rained this morning. It's raining off and over the week. So see, these bees aren't. I've got happy bees. See, if I went around calling unhappy bees, that would just mean that they would be unhappy and they would attack me. This is basically a drone frame that they're filling up with pollen, nectar. Got some honey up here. When I say a drone frame, the cells are bigger, and that's what they put their drones in. And when they get rid of the drones, they fill it with honey. And that's another one of our problems here this year, is the drones. If there's no drones, your queens can't mate on mating flights. And bees are smart, so drones are welfare bees. And I mean, they're only good for one thing. So they say. I think they're good for more than that. Let's see on this side. Okay, we have some eggs and brood over here, and some nectar and pollen over on this side. And on the other side here, we have basically the same thing. We've got some eggs and brood over here, and pollen over on that side. Got a little bee there. That ain't supposed to be there. But if the bees can't produce what they need, nature's not really helping them out. With the little hearts. They take care of the situation. They persevere. So they get rid of the welfare bees, which is the drones, and then there's not enough drones to mate all the bees. Or the queens. Okay, that one there is. They're right here. They'll build another piece over here when they get the nectar and the food stuff. They put one here. I feed them. But there's brood, pollen, and eggs right there. We're going to turn that one around. Put this towards the front, this side, facing north. So they'll build out that part. This one we have pretty good little frame here. I haven't seen the queen yet, but I see eggs, so I'm not worried about her. Got eggs, brood, pollen here. Stores over here. The way the weather's been, that's kind of what they've been doing in a lot of them. They're putting the brood away from the door, away from the draft, and they're putting their honey on the other half. which is interdraft, but they don't have to worry about it at night. Don't see the queen, don't care if you see the queen, but it'd be nice to see the queen. As long as you see eggs, don't worry about it. And we're going to turn that one back up. You don't have fat frames, so there's the mama. Except she's never on that honey frame. She didn't read the book. She is right there. Here. There. See all the other bees getting around her. They're protecting her, taking care of her. My job put her back now before she gets stressed out. She's going to lay for 2 days. That's about the way most of them are. None of them real large. My big hives are big. My little hives aren't. But they're getting there. If the weather gets better, we get it stabilized where it's supposed to be, they'll do good. Last week was good. Just we didn't have any rain. No more, nothing blooming. I'm feeding them, but they're not getting what they need. And that's them. Y'all have a good one. That's 400 A, by the way. But y'all enjoy your day, your night. Have a good weekend coming up. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. We're gone. Y'all have a great one. Bye. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe, be happy.